Carve Region, found with the Carve tools under the Carve tab, allows you to create flat, rastered regions with any closed figure. It's important to note if the geometry you have selected is not closed, this icon will be grayed out. You can set the depth of that region on the input toolbar. You can also set it to be pierced, to pierce it all the way through the board. Take that back. Now this is a rastered function. It uses the carving bit. It's not to be confused with a pocket region, which is a vector function which spirals out using an end mill. You can apply feathers both to the inside or by flip feather, apply it to the outside of a carved region. It can add and subtract any of the patterns from this region as well.